What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to repost a video on TikTok and also how to view your reposts afterward, since a lot of people get confused about where they go. First, find the TikTok video you want to repost. This can be a video from your For You page, following page, or even someone's profile. TikTok now allows reposting of almost any public video. Next, tap the share button, which is the arrow icon on the right side of the screen. From the list of options that pops up, tap Repost. TikTok will then give you the option to add a comment. This is optional, but it's a good way to explain why you like the video or react to it. Keep it short and simple. Once you're done, tap Send, and that's it. The video has been reposted. Your followers may now see it on their For You page with your repost attached. Now, let's talk about how to view your reposts, because this part isn't very obvious. TikTok reposts do not show up as regular posts on your profile. Instead, they're mainly visible to others through their For You feed. To see your reposts yourself, go to your profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy and open your activity or repost section if it's available on your account. Some versions of TikTok also show reposted videos when you tap the repost icon again on a video you've already shared. Just keep in mind, reposts are meant more for sharing content with your audience rather than building a visible repost library on your profile. And that's it. That's how you repost a TikTok video and where to check for your reposts. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.